Hakajing lang henne kasi ka South Rek nela aja puar pala khadu Chief Minister Konrad ke sama yikit khajang sainik board welfare jang kami khraya hakabaya kane kidei kibla shimbanta dikhi Shipai jikitana repair ki bayde barkari Hakajing plan bakila pathai kubor call G.Kumar ubade Directorate of Sainik Welfare Administrative Building Lower Lachmir Shillong Iway Hakane kasi ulang bat kilai kran hakabaya dei bakajing kran hakabha kamyat ikikun khiti jikitu Shipai kibla dap Shongthait hakam kajongki Shushu ulang banamal ki Shipai kibla Shongthait ki Kham Duna Shibun banyo Jingmyntoi
Colonel G.K. Rai, retired. I'm the Director, Sainik Welfare, Meghalaya. Today we had the 23rd Rajya Sainik Board meet, which was held after COVID. The last meeting we had was in February 2020, and due to COVID, we could not take the points which was raised during that meeting, 22nd meeting. But the same thing was raised in this particular meeting, and many things were sorted out. And one of the main achievements of this particular meeting is we have started construction of Sainik Rest House. Sainik Rest House is office come the rest house complex for our veterans. We have got one now in Shillong, and the construction started in full swing. Now the moment this thing comes up, the directorate office will be placed there. And since we have the guest rooms and all that, all our the veterans and the widows who will be coming from far-flung areas, like from the Garo Hills, or even from the Jingmyntoi Hills and all, even Rivoy and all that, they can stay in a room which is well furnished and cheap. And the best part is to be safe because it is within the cantonment. The land given to us is just behind the Baurin Netrale in Pine Walk area, and the construction is going full swing. This is the main achievement of our directorate with the blessings of our Honorable Chief Minister, who is also the Rajya Sainik Board President of this state. Establish a Sainik school because Meghalaya is the only state apart from Tripura and Northeast which doesn't have its own Sainik school. So we are going full zip. Let's hope that something comes through, because right now we have been generally raking the area, seeing the area. As of now, we had gone to the West Jingmyntoi Hill in the area of Raliang and Shangpung. But those areas are hilly, and let's see what it comes up. But we are going to have Sainik school in our state. That is assured. Been successful in motivating the young children of our state to join armed forces and don the uniform. Like we people, we have shed our uniform, but we are very proud of the fact that we wore uniform and we have served in all parts of the country, right from Kashmir to Kerala, Madras, whatever you say. We have served all over. And the additional benefit is not only employment. Once my children might go out from our state and serve outside, the confidence level increases tremendously. There is no mental block after that कि यहाँ जाएगा नहीं जा सकता है, nothing like that. And once you have worn uniform, you have carried weapon for your country, the level of confidence is way beyond. And today also you see any Fauji bhai in your locality, he will have a different outlook to life, different level of confidence, So that's what I want all our children to imbibe, so that there is no hesitation. Suppose they have to go. In our time, of course, things were different. Means of communication were very less. But today you have flights everywhere, all vehicles connecting all the places, even in our state. So mental mobility must be there in us, so that we can go out and achieve much better. And let me assure you, we are as brilliant, as talented as anybody in the country. Only thing is that we have to step out. We have to go beyond our borders to prove that we are capable and we can do it. Trying to extend the facility of ECHS polyclinic. That is, we have the contributory health scheme, ex-servicemen, and we want to have a polyclinic in Tura to take care of all our veterans from the Garo Hills. Similarly, in the same location, we also want to start extension counter of Sainik school. Now, you must have heard that during our meet today, we are vying for certain accommodation within the DC office where our Tura Zilla office is located. And all the states give cash grant to the soldiers of that state, whoever gets or gallantry award or distinguished, like Paramveer Chakra, like we have the Clifford Nongrum who got Mahavir Chakra. So there's certain amount is earmarked by the state, and the moment you get this particular, you are awarded with this particular award, then that money is given by the state government to the, if he is alive, then to him or to his parents or his wife, the surviving family member. At Umlanka, and where the children had come, and we had tried to motivate them through the ZRO, that is the zonal recruiting office that we have here in Pine Walk. I am Science School Golpara alumnus. I studied in Science School Golpara. The moment a science school is made, science school's aim is to feed National Defence Academy. We are trained in such a way that we are meant to go to National Defence Academy. Like in my case, we have 52 classmates, out of which 18 of us had cleared the written examination. But finally, the service selection board, we have 5 of us who cleared. One was in the, one went for Air Force, one for Navy, and 3 of us in the Army. And the rest, let me assure you, did very well. They were GM of Oil India, GM of Oil, and GM in your refinery in Bongaigaon. So, they are at that level. And we had also GM of Coal India in the Margarita, in the Upper Assam. And you're trained, once you go to science school, you're trained in such a way, because there's the place, first integration takes place. Because once that school is opened, you have first our various locality of the state, and about 30% students will be there from outside, like the army jawans or the children will be there. So that integration takes place there only. And the boys are within the 6 years trained so well, they can face anything. Similarly, you have said about NCC. Once you join NCC and you attend central camp,